another video. Today we're gonna do a super exciting bluey blue deboxing of this Sapphire Anniversary Silkstone Grail doll for me. Yay! I am super excited for this, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I have wanted a Silkstone for forever. I have a few that I've taken screenshots of that are like grails that are older that I'll probably never get in my lifetime, and I've never been able to have the chance to get one that wasn't like $200-300 on like eBay or Amazon. So I got this from Mattel and I'm super excited about it. So without any more talking, I did my nails blue just for the occasion. We are gonna get into this beautiful Sapphire Anniversary fashion model Silkstone. Yay! Now this is how it came to me. I peeled off the shipping label. This is how it comes, which I wasn't too happy about, to be honest, because I don't want people knowing what I'm getting. I wish they would have put it in a different box, like outer box, so you can't tell this is what I'm getting. But this is how it comes from Mattel. Just if nobody's ever ordered from there, this is what you get. Now I'm just gonna slide her out. And she does come with this outer fancy tissue paper on the box. Mine was ripped when I got it, so it protected it mostly, but it's to protect this beautiful box. Just look at this 65th anniversary. Oh God, I love the box art. Look at it. Fashion model collection, Robert Best, genuine Silkstone body, Barbie signature, Sapphire Anniversary, Mattel, and the box. I wish you guys had touch-o-vision. The box has this cool feel to it. And then here on these parts where it's shiny, it has a different feel. I just love that. Now here is the back of the box. It says 65th anniversary again. Barbie Sapphire Anniversary doll. Now all of this, I'll leave it for a second so you can stop, pause it, and read it if you like. This I love. It's so cool. Only 20,000 worldwide, which is awesome to me. And then here's the rest of the gook, the barcode, and all that good stuff on the back of the box. Now the box opens like this, if I can get it. Oh, and I forgot to show this, that it says Fashion Model Collection Sapphire Anniversary on the bottom there. And it just opens like this. And you take off the top. There's the top, so beautiful. And then on the inside is this exquisite little placard here that says Barbie Fashion Model Collection, and it has the gold ribbon. It's like an event, y'all, for opening this. And then you pull those off to the side, and then you pull back the tissue to reveal this beautiful, beautiful Silkstone girl. I can't even believe it. Just look at her in the box. Awesomeness. Love it. I can't wait to get into her. Now I'm gonna do like the other stuff a little off camera and then come back to you. Now you lift this portion out this way, then it leaves the box, and then this is how she is. Here is the Sapphire Anniversary Certificate of Authenticity, gold label, Barbie signature. I'm not gonna take all that out of the packaging. I'm gonna leave that, but I just wanted you to see it. And that she has these beautiful silk ties tying her in, none of that like through the head gook that we hate. I would hope that they wouldn't do that to a doll that's this expensive. She's, I believe, $75, and then you have to buy the membership, which is $10, and then shipping, so it's a little pricey. She was like $90 total with tax, shipping, the membership. So they get you with that, but I used my birthday money on it, and I just had to have her because, like I said, I've wanted this. This has been a grail for me for many years as a doll collector, wanting to own a genuine Silkstone, and now I do. So what I'm gonna do is take these off and get her out of the box and then come back to you. Well, I ended up taking these out because I needed the stand. So here it is, closer up, and then this, the special care directions. And here is what the insert looks like once she's all out. And here is the weighted saddle stand that she comes with. It's heavy on the bottom is why I said it's weighted. And since y'all don't have like touch-o-vision, you can't tell, so I have to tell you that stuff. These are the top two ribbons. I had to pull these ones off completely because one of them was wrapped in and around like her shoulders and stuff. So that's the only reason I took these off completely. Otherwise I would have left them. And now for the super exciting main event. Oh my goodness, y'all. Feeling her in my hands, the heavy weight of the beautiful Silkstone body. I cannot even put into words how awesome it is and just how overjoyed I am to have her. Just look at this exquisite, the vintage face. Oh, I can't even, like, can I lift this up where you guys can see her without messing it up? I don't want to hurt her in any way. Yes, I can. Oh God, look at this. Look at the sparkly. I didn't know there was sparkly on the makeup. Oh, her face, her face. Oh, I can't get over it. It is so beautiful to me in every single possible way. It makes all my dolly heart sing, and so happy looking at it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The paint is exquisite. The little beauty mark, one of my favorite things. I love vintage. If y'all are new here and don't know that, I love vintage, 50s, kitsch, mid-century modern, all that cool stuff. And if you're new, hi, nice to meet you. But I cannot get over this. I am almost at a loss for words of what to say because I've wanted one of these for so long. I used my birthday money to get her and splurged because I thought, well, I could buy 4 or 5 dolls that will make me happy, but I could buy one doll that will check off a grail for me off my list. So I did. Just look at everything. Look at these earrings. Are they not just to die for? They are so, so pretty. Look at the dangle. And then since we're so close up, look at her hair in this vintage updo roll with the braid flipped under. Now, it is a brick, which is not my favorite, but I'm not gonna like mess with her or anything like that. And then her little face veil is tied up under here with a satin ribbon black bow, just exquisite. But I have to mention, the hair is two-tone. It's blue and black and exquisitely done. I can't even, y'all. She is so, so pretty. And then touching this jacket, the fabric is just so like buttery, soft, and beautiful. This is like an over jacket fashion statement piece, and it has elastic there. Just so beautiful. Look at her décolleté there. Her like collarbone and everything is just so beautiful. This doll is exquisite to me. I know I've said that already, but you're gonna get a lot of oohs and ahs out of me and not knowing what exactly to say because I've never experienced a Silkstone before, so I'm just like, ah! Anyway, she has the full articulation. Look at that, how expressive. Oh, I just love that. That's one of my favorite points of articulation for a doll is the neck joint because you can turn the head and make it look so many different ways. This does come off, but I'm not gonna do that right now because she has her tag here. Look at the tag, fashion model collection. Oh my goodness, that is so awesome with the little gold tie up there. And she has these beautiful gloves on. Look at the gloves. Oh my goodness, and these are super soft. This beautiful girl has elbow articulation, which I love, and wrist articulation. Can you see that move in there? Wrist articulation. Now, I would take this off, but I don't want to hurt it putting it back on, but I do want to see her hand, so maybe we will. There we go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, her nails are painted, y'all. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, look at her dainty little hand pose. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna have trouble putting the glove back on, but since I did that, I am going to take off her over wrap and we will look at that in detail. All right, up close and personal, look at the detailing on this jacket, y'all. Now it is tacked there because these are not real pockets. These are faux just for looks, but it's beautiful. Just look at this line. Oh, my seamstress heart is so happy. Look at how this is made, y'all. It is gorgeous, and it's got the opening so she can put her arms out, so it's like a wrap instead of a jacket, but it's in a jacket style. And then look at the little cutout there, the kick pleat. Oh my goodness, this piece is so beautiful, y'all. And like I said, it feels like butter. Now I put her on the stand. She is so beautiful, y'all. I can't even. Here is a close-up on the dress. Look at this detailing here in the front. The little metal sapphires and the dangler that matches her earrings up here, the little dangler, and then the pleats and just the way it's made. Just look at this exquisiteness. And there's a snap. Love loving the snaps. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my goodness. And she has upper body articulation, which I did not know. Look at that, the upper body joint. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so beautiful. So beautiful. And she has the tights that go down into like the tight shoes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Every little detail on this is just beautifully done. Look at the pleating and the stitching. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I love the deep V in the back and that it's lined and that it has the little kick pleat out there as well at the bottom, you know, for leg room so you can move your legs. Oh, let's look at the glove here up close because this glove I took off. Look at that, y'all. I want to make some of these for myself. I need like a pattern or something because I love the gloved hand. It's so pretty. Like I said, up close. Is there anything? No, nothing on the inside of the tag there, but that is the tag up close in the glove. And then here is her beautiful bag. Look at this bag. It's lined. It opens. You can put stuff in it. And look at the metal chain. It's real metal, y'all. It feels real metal. I don't think it's plastic. It feels real metal. Oh, look at the detailing. It's just so beautiful. Look at the hem. The hem is exquisite. Let's go over her articulation now because I kind of did, but she has the back and forth, up, down, side to side, all around head, neck articulation. She has the beautiful upper body, full rotation joint there. She has the up, down, side, in, out, 360 at the shoulder. She has the bendable elbow and the bendable wrist with the 360 there as well. And she has the in, out, back and forth at her legs and a bendable knee. Can you stand it, y'all? Oh, she is just so wonderful. I cannot even believe that she's mine. She's so gorgeous. And let's pull this back and take a close look at the hair here. Look at that. So pretty. Just everything about her is gorgeous to me. I can't get over every little thing about her. I love her beautiful skin tone, her beautiful lip color, her eye makeup. Everything is so wonderful. I can't get over it, y'all. I'm just so happy to have her. So here she is, head to toe. I'm gonna do a slow roll front and back so you can see her exquisiteness. Look at the shoes, y'all. Just look at these shoes. Love that. Here is the back of her so you can drink in all the beautifulness of this Sapphire Anniversary Silkstone beauty that I was so lucky to be able to get for my birthday. Here she is, gorgeousness. I'm gonna dress her back up and then we're gonna close out the video. For me, as a doll collector, I am rating this girl at a 10, 10, 10, 10s across the board. For me, the quality, the beautifulness of everything, the way it was done, on point, absolutely gorgeous. If you are lucky enough to have the opportunity to get her, I would say snap her up. I'm not one that spends that kind of money on a doll easily. I am responsible, but for me, it was a must-have for my collection, for my dolly collector heart. So if you're on the fence thinking about maybe picking her up because there is some left, I checked the website, I would say do it if you have the means. I had extra birthday money, so I was able to do it, and I'm so glad that I got to share this beautiful Silkstone with y'all. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say huge hugs and birthday Grail love to all you wonderful, lovely watchers and subscribers out there. Thank you so much for watching and being with me, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge Grail subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers and watchers out there. I cannot say enough just how wonderful, just how special, just how lovely it is that we have grown this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family to the size that it is today. We are closing in on 9,000, y'all, which blows my mind. Y'all are so special to me. I hope you know that. I hope you know that I don't take any of you for granted and that I can never say enough just how much it means to me that you all have come along, hit that button and said, boop, we like your Dolly silliness and craziness and we want to continue on and see what you get up to. So I have to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. So much love to everybody out there. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. It grows by the day. It is so big now. It just warms my heart that all of us Dolly collectors have come together to share in all the Dolly goodiness that I get into. I do everything in my power to give you a fun and safe, happy Dolly space where everyone is welcome and we all can come and share in the Dolly goodness that I get up to. So if you want to become part of things like this, Grail Doll, Silkstone for me, and thrift hauls and hauls in general, DIYs, one of a kinds. I do sewing, I do everything Dolly goodness fun that I can, and I love sharing it with y'all. So if you want to become part of all of that, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and truly mean in every way, no matter what you're into, everyone is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. I'm so excited that I got to share my Grail Happy Heart Sapphire Anniversary Fashion Model Collection Robert Best Barbie Signature Silkstone with y'all. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy Grail Doll Day, and bye y'all!